Ram everybody, with the blessings of Sai Hira. Today we are making a rich and flavorful different kind of poha. We are making Navratna Poha. First boil the noodles, take water in a pan, add noodles and break them while adding. Add salt and cook until it's done. Strain the water and drizzle a little oil on the noodles so they do not stick to each other. Soak sago pearls in water for about 4 hours, strain it and keep it aside. Wash the poha well in water, strain it and keep that also aside. Heat oil in a pan, add peanuts and roast them. Remove and keep it aside. In the same oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Let them splutter. Add chopped onion, ginger and green chili. Cook them well. Now add green peas, carrot, beans, capsicum and potatoes. Do not mix this immediately. Cover with a lid and let the vegetables cook. Once the vegetables are cooked, mix everything well. Add turmeric powder and magic masala. Sprinkle a little water and mix. Add soaked sago pearls, boiled noodles and poha. Mix this gently and cover with a lid. Cook for a few minutes, add roasted peanuts and lemon juice and garnish it with coriander leaves. Serve it hot and enjoy this Navratna Poha. With the blessings of Sai Hira, enjoy this recipe with your family. Sai Hira Ram.